put the foundation of the temple. When they start to build the temple, the king gives the instruction. Firstly, he got blessed by the God, and then he comes out of his palace. You put, the crown of Upper Egypt. The other side, you will find Lower Egypt. The same scene, by the way. And here, what's he's doing here? Can you tell me? The king, he dig, the foundation underground, and in front of the Farquhar Horus, the main temple, the main god. Next one, it's like nowadays when the prime minister or the king or the queen, they integrate the project. So they put the stone at it's the same. What he's doing here, he cut stone. See the stone here? This one. And then he give the stone to the god. Next one, the sanctuary. See, that is the pedestal. What is this? It is a stone. It's inside the sanctuary.